So this auger got bent a little bit here. The hopper got forced into the auger. So this piece bent here a little bit. This bottom piece or side piece is bent out. So we need to take it apart and either build a new box assembly here or straighten it up or something. Got that apart. This universal gave me a little trouble coming off of that shaft, but hammered it off of there. And this bushing is amazingly not quite through to the steel. So that's good. We'll put a new one in there. Probably replace this shaft. I saw this has a bit of wiggle to it, so we might replace that shaft too, I'm not sure. And get this thing straightened out. There wasn't much left of it. Andy got my parts cut for me. This one's going to need a wee bit of massaging to get that to line up right. But this other one fits on here real nice. I must have been drunk or something when I designed it though, because I made the holes 3/4 inch instead of half. But I'll just drill these holes out and use bigger bolts. Getting closer. It fits pretty tight in there. It still goes up and down. Ouch!